What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set any song you like as a ringtone or a text tone. I'm going to show you how to do that really quickly on the iPhone, and it's really simple to do, so stay tuned. All right, guys, the first thing you're going to do, right, you need any song. So you can use Apple Music. When you go into Apple Music, you're going to go to your library and you're going to download the song. You know, the songs are already there, but you have to download it. Or you can go on the internet and type in any song you like and type in MP3 and you can download any song you like. Once you got the song on your phone, then I'm going to show you how to convert it into a ringtone. For example, let me just open up Apple Music and let me just go to library. All right, I'm already there. Go to songs. Like, for example, let me just show you. You guys already know how to download it, but you just hit these three dots and just click on download because you need to download it. It's already here, but that's not good enough just to hit download. All right, cool. Like I said, you can go to your web browser and download, just type in any song you like, type in MP3 and hit download, and it's on your phone. So the next thing we need to do, we need to go to Garageband. So we're going to open up Garageband now. So we in Garageband, right? Click on create new song. Now, when you click on create new song, you're going to scroll over to audio recorder. Click on audio recorder. Now, what you're going to do is, you see this grid right here? 1, 2, 3. See that grid? Click on that grid. All right, it's going to take you right here. This is where you're going to add your song. Now, real quick, as you see the little metronome sign right here, it's going to be like in blue. Just click that off. It's next to the record button. Just turn it off. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, you see this right here? Which you got that little loop icon right here. You're just going to tap on that. Now, when you tap on it, you're going to have Apple Loops, Files, and Music. Now, if you already download song from your Apple Music, like I just showed you, you're just going to click on Music. You're going to click on Songs. And then you're just going to look for the song, right? Now, I'm going to show you something. You're just going to take the song, right? You're going to hold it down and then you're going to drag it to your timeline. Just like that. Now, that's if you have the song already in your music. But since I'm going to play a royalty-free song, I'm going to go to my files. It's the same thing. Now, you're going to take the song. And it takes a little bit time to load. So now I'm going to just take this song and I'm just going to drag it on the timeline, just like so. As you see right there, the song is on the timeline. There it is right there. It takes a little bit of time to load, but it's on the timeline now. The next thing you're going to do, once you have the song on your timeline, you see that little plus button right there. You're going to tap that. So let's tap that little plus button. You see where it says 8 bars? We're going to change that to 30. All right, you're going to change it to 30 because that's the maximum allowed for a ringtone is 30 seconds. So you're going to change that to 30 and you're going to go back. You're going to click on back. All right, so it changed it on your timeline. Right now, the song is there, so you can just hit play and check it out. It's royalty free. All right, so what you're going to do is you can trim this up to get it to the point where you want it to start playing. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to double tap on this. All right, you're going to double tap and you're going to click on trim. All right, so now, hold on, let's see if you can see it. See it? Now you can trim it. You can move it. you can trim it to anywhere you want. So it can start playing at the section you want. Hold on a second. So you can move it around and you can just trim it, right? Let me show if you can see it. You take this little trimmer and move it around to the section you want. And once you're finished, hold on, let me just drag it. Drag it back. Once you finish, then we can go on to the next step. So let's take a look at it. And you just want to make sure, okay, that's at 30 seconds already. So now I'm just going to play it. All right, cool. That's good for this tutorial. Just after you're done, hold on, let's see if you can see it. You just want to make sure it's dragged down to the full 30-second mark. All right. Now, once you got it to where you want it, once you got to where you want it, you're going to type this arrow right here and then it's going to say my songs. Can you see it? It's going to say my songs. Just tap on my songs. All right. So there go the song. There go the song right there. So what you can do is you can rename it to whatever ringtone you want. So just press down on it and hit rename. I'm just going to say test ringtone. All right. And hit done. All right. So you straight. All right. Now what you're going to do is you're going to press and hold on it. And then you're going to click on share as ringtone. So click ringtone. If you get this little message, that's fine. Click continue. And it's right there. And you're going to get this little dial up. You're just going to click on export. You can also change the name here too if you want, but then click export right here. Now it's exporting it to your ringtones. And I'm going to show you the next step. All right, cool. You can click on use sound as, but just click OK. I'm going to show you something else. So now we're just going to exit out of Garageband. We good now on Garageband. Okay, so basically what you're going to do now is you're going to click on settings and you're going to go down to sounds and haptics. Let's see if you can see it. You see sounds and haptics? Click on sounds and haptics. Click on ringtone. And you see right there where I named it test ringtone is right there. And just click on that and you got it set. All right, so now your ringtone is set. So now all you gotta do is go back, click back. Now, if you wanna add that as your text tone, you go down to text tone and see where it says test ringtone. So anytime somebody texts you, it'll sound like this. And you can do this with sound bites and everything. You can follow these steps and add sound bites and everything. Also make custom sounds right here. You can change your voicemail, new mail. You can even make your own sound bite with your own voice. You can do the same thing if you follow these steps. All right, guys. So that's how you can set any song as your ringtone or your text tone. Like I said, you can use sound bites. You can set any ringtone you want. You can use any sound bite you want. Just follow these steps. Guys, I hope this helped. Stay tuned for my next video. Do me a favor, hit that subscription button. Also hit the bell notification so you can get updated on my latest content as it drops. Feel free to drop a comment below. Peace.